Um, Today, our presentation is going to be about relief management system. My team members are Pravin Shrestha and Shakar Sharma. So हाम्रो शाकरको चाहिँ हेड छैन होइन अनि अहिले ऊ आउन सकेन
को रे तिमीहरूको टिम एकचोटि फेरि भन त
प्रवीण श्रेष्ठ अनि आइजाकर शर्मा
उसको अथेन्टिक नेमै यही हो
आइजाकर नै हो
कन्टिन्यू
Today we're going to discuss about description, an objective of the management system, how it works, and why people should pick us over other systems. Description and objective. The world is an ever-changing place, and disasters are something inevitable. A lot of people in these precarious times who are affected by the viciousness of the disaster are in the dire need of help. More often, as a disaster struck place, it's difficult to reach out and seek for proper help. अब हाम्रो यो वर्ल्ड isn't stable. अब चेन्ज भइरहेको छ कहिले कहाँ नेचुरल डिजास्टर हुन्छ कहिले कहाँ फ्लड आइरहेको छ अर्थक्वेक जस्तो अब फर इक्जाम्पल हाम्रो अर्थक्वेक अस्ति नै भन्दा नि 2015मा it was unpredictable मान्छेहरूले अब they never knew was coming होइन अब त्यस्तोहरू आउन सक्छ अझै पनि in different places not just in Nepal त्यही भएर हामीले योसँग डिल गर्न चाहिँ we need an effective system we need something efficient this is where our groundbreaking relief system comes into play अब त्यही भएर हामीले चाहिँ यो रिलिफ म्यानेजमेन्ट सिस्टमको बारेमा बुझेर बनाएको tackling over a lot of obstacles like corruption, delayed delivery of resources to the needy people, or utilizing the efficiency of internet, we hope to provide unmatched and authentic service to those who need it the most. Our disaster struck city or it takes अब धेरै प्रब्लमहरू आउँछ नि त फर इक्जाम्पल अब कसरी त्यहाँ रिसोर्सेस पुगाउने कसरी प्रब्लमहरूसँग डिल गर्ने फर इक्जाम्पल करप्सन पैसा पठाएको पनि यो मान्छेहरूलाई रिच गर्यो कि गरेन तिनीहरूले नियर बाई मान्छेहरूले पनि हेल्प गर्न सक्यो कि सकेन भनेर धेरै प्रब्लमहरू हुन्छ डेली डेलिभरी अफ रिसोर्सेस त्यही भएर त्यो प्रब्लमहरूलाई ट्याकल गर्न हामीले यो सिस्टम म्यानेजमेन्ट बनाएको how it works probably explain Gausaba.
See, looking about the objective and description about our project, we can see that this project is solely a non-profit non-profit organization, like a non-profit organization. We don't get any. So the main hurdles of our projects is for the management of an employee, cash management, data management, and rewards and titles for the work that our employee have performed within our organization. So under the employee management, we basically have two kinds of employee in our system. They are permanent and temporary employee. So the permanent employee are hired according to the resume and are interviewed. So they are a qualified person who lead the temporary employee, and the temporary employees are hired. They are person who wants to work for our organization but are not accepted through any interview or resume they given. सो त्यो भनेको चाहिँ बाहिरको मान्छेहरू जुन पनि अब सोसल वर्क गर्न चाहन्छन् भने तिनीहरू हाम्रो अर्गनाइजेसनभित्र आएर गर्न पाउँछ दे जस्ट हेभ टु रेजिस्टर एन अकाउन्ट under our application and they are ready to go. So they have to schedule what time they are going to perform and in which event they are going to give their work at. So for first necessity should be in our relief management systems should be about enough employee. There should be enough employee to perform the work. and going to the so the hurdle of hiring employee and accepting social work audience have been overcome. So let's go to the cash management. So the cash is managed in our organization through donation and charity. त्यो चाहिँ एपभित्र डोनेसन र च्यारिटीको फिचर हुन्छ, त्यसबाट चाहिँ बाहिरको मान्छेहरूले हाम्रो अर्गनाइजेसनभित्र डोनेसन गर्न सकिन्छ, लाइक जति अमाउन्ट हुनसक्छ, जति अमाउन्ट दिन सक्छ त्यति डोनेसन गर्न मिल्छ. एन्ड द्याट डोनेसन क्यान बी used in investing a different organization or funding any other which in return can give a lot of value and increase our total capital. Cash management ma चाहिँ to increase our capital we can do there will be then we can create an ad. We can create an ad from ad revenue from all the website we have created. And that falls under the cash management. For the database management, database management keeps records of all the working records of audience and allocating resources and funding according to the severity of disaster. So data management ले चाहिँ सबै इभेन्ट्सहरूको बारेमा खबर गराउँछ, लाइक इन विच प्लेसेस एकदमै जरुरी छ त्यो सर्भिस. लाइक फर इक्जाम्पल अहिले COVID-19 चलिरहेको बेला स्टार्भेसन धेरै छ. सो there can be a project of starvation in Kathmandu Valley. So we can conduct a camp. We can conduct a camp providing foods inside the Kathmandu Valley, and people can donate according to the event they want. So that will be one feature. And according to the contribution of the people inside the organization, we will grant rewards and titles. The rewards and titles may not be very big, may not be very charming for the people, but there it is. They are granted according to their performance and contribution in the organization. So this is all the points. First necessity is enough employee. So the employee can either be permanent or temporary in the organization. And permanent employee are hired according to their resume and are interviewed. So the database stored the employee